There's been a ton of software applications to hit the Google Play Store this year. If you're a Phone Dial subscriber, you'll know that we've been highlighting our favorite apps released each and every month this year. So for our best Android apps of 2016 video, we have selected about one app from each month to get our 10 best applications of the year. There's obviously a number of apps that I could not include in this video, so feel free to let us know which app is your favorite by leaving a comment down below. Prisma is one of the coolest photo editing applications on the market, and it recently came to Android earlier this year. It's so good that I used it for my profile picture. The app is a lot like Instagram, but all the filters consist of modern art designs. The app transforms your photos into artworks using the styles of famous artists like Munch and Picasso. It uses neural networks and artificial intelligence to do so. So I highly recommend you check out Prisma if you haven't already. Backdrops is my favorite wallpapers app of the year. I'm a sucker for material design, and as you can see here, a large number of the wallpapers featured in this app feature material design themes. The app's layout is also very clean and simple. It just makes switching wallpapers as easy as 1, 2, 3. Hopper lets you find the cheapest flights available by predicting the future. You can predict, watch, and buy tickets directly from this app. The layout is beautifully simple, but the fact that you can save a ton of money using this app earns it a spot on the list. Boost Plus launched alongside the HTC 10 earlier this year, and to this day, I have yet to find a system tuner that performs as well as Boost Plus. The app lets you clear junk files with a tap. You can check how much storage you have and check how much memory is being used. You can delete cache files, installers, temporary files, and advertising clutter. You can manage apps and lock apps as well, and there's a feature called Smart Boost that will automatically boost the performance of your games and apps. Overall, the app has the potential to free up memory, speed up your phone, and save battery life. It's worth a download if you don't have something like this already. So I wanted to include Beme on the list because it's a bit of a success story. It was created by YouTuber Casey Neistat and his talented team. Beme is a social media app that lets you share snippets of your life by holding your camera, the camera built into your smartphone, up to your chest. The proximity sensors will activate and start recording a clip that will be sent to your followers. But just recently, CNN purchased Casey Neistat's app Beme for around $25 million. The app itself will be shuttered, unfortunately, but Casey and his employees will be joining CNN to form a separate technology unit focusing on CNN's mobile video efforts. FX File Explorer is probably the best file manager app on the Play Store. There's not much to say here. I mean, if you like material design, features like Wi-Fi Direct, NFC, no advertisements, encryption, etc., you'll need to download FX File Explorer. Pokemon Go just had to be on the list due to its insane adoption rate. It broke records when it launched earlier this year. The game is developed by Niantic alongside the help from Nintendo. The world is your oyster, where you can explore and catch Pokemon, you can level them up and battle with other real people. Even though its popularity has decreased quite significantly since its launch, the idea is very neat, it's very nostalgic to me, and whether you like it or not, it had a big impact on 2016. Duo is one of the two apps announced at Google I/O in 2016. The app is bread and butter simple. You use it to video chat with your friends over Wi-Fi or LTE. There's a neat feature called Knock Knock that will actually let your friend see what you are doing before he or she answers the call. So I don't know, depending on what you're doing, your friend might actually want to pick up the call and talk to you. The app itself works on both iOS and Android, which is a big plus. I also found the app to broadcast high quality video and to be reliable as a whole. The other app that Google released was Allo. Allo launched before the Pixel devices, and it offered users the first glimpse at the Google Assistant, which is built into the application. So you can use the Google Assistant to send messages and deliver various information to you and your friends. There are also some neat iMessage-like effects. The only downside is that in order to get the most out of this app, both you and the person you are contacting need to have the app installed and set as the default messaging application. The very last app on the list is Android Auto. The app has been around for quite some time now, but just this past month or so, Google released the app to the Play Store, meaning you don't have to have a car that has the app installed already. You can download the app on your own phone via the Play Store and take advantage of its features. It has a simplified interface, very large buttons, and powerful voice actions. Android Auto is designed to make it easier to use apps from your phone while you are on the road. You can navigate with Google Maps, listen to playlists or podcasts from your favorite apps, send messages, and more. It's really a handy app to have if you find yourself illegally using your phone while driving. Don't text and drive, people. So those are our favorite Android apps of the year. Let us know what your thoughts are of these apps in the comments down below, and leave your app suggestions down below there as well. We would love to hear them. As always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDag.com. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. I will see you later. See ya.